Here first we need to assign the IP. Same thing as we need to do enable the OSPF. After that we will check the DR BDR. So I will write interface F0 by 0. I will put here IP address like 192.168.1.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and we will write no shut. So we have only one IP only, so I configure that IP, and now we can enable router OSPF 1, and I am using the interface method. So interface you need to write, under that one we need to write IP OSPF 1 area 0. Why I am writing here 1 means here 1 means here I taken 1. If I take here 2, then I need to put here 2. So this is a process ID. So whatever process ID we are taking, we need to put that one only. So this is a R1 configuration. Now I will give the R2 configuration. So here I will write R2 configuration. Enable config T host name R2, and then interface F0 by 0, IP address 192.168.1.2, give space 255.255.255.0, and we will write no shut. And this one same router OSPF 1, interface F0 by 0, IP OSPF 1 area 0. So this is for the R2. We can paste also. Let's paste this one first in the R1. Let's see. This is R1. I pasted everything here. This is R2. I pasted this in the R2. And then we have the R3. I can copy paste. We can modify as per our requirement. So this one we can say this is a R3, this is 3, this is 3, and all thing remains same, because in R3 also same interface. You can see F0 by 0, everywhere we use F0 by 0. So just I modify only IP address, remaining configuration same. So now I will go inside the R3. I can paste the configuration. And then we need to do the R4, so I will do the R4 also. Same configuration, only we can change the router name and the IP. Why means, see here same F0 by 0 here, same port. So just we will change the name of the router, and IP of this router is 1.4, and router OSPF 1 interface, yeah, okay, directly connected. We cannot connect directly without switch, so we taken the help of switch, so we can connect. It look like all are connected to each other. So I will go to the router 4, and here also good. So our router configuration we done. Same subnet, all are having the same subnet. If they are directly connected, we can have the same subnet, no problem. So it look like how we are connecting like this, same like that we connected. So but we cannot do like this. So what we done, we taken the switch here and we connected. So it look like they are directly connected here, and here they are directly connected. So we can say R1, R2, R3, R4 like this. So we